More than 3,000 people took advantage of the free medical care offered by the Chinese naval hospital ship, the Peace Ark, while it docked in Cape Town's Table Bay Harbour for a week.
I found about the ship on social media and on the radio as well. And I think it's a good thing that they came here to help us, because our government, I don't think they are doing enough for health issues.
Only 16% of South Africans can afford private health care. Most South Africans go to government-funded facilities that are often under-resourced and where there is a backlog of patients who need surgeries. On board, members of the South African Military Health Services worked with more than 100 of the ship's staff. Nurses and doctors from the ship also worked at several government hospitals in Cape Town on procedures such as cataract operations, says South African Military's Chinondiwa Esther Mohale.
We know that everything is very costly, and to actually afford a medical aid cover for some people, it's a dream that they couldn't reach.
During the visit, a number of surgeries were carried out, but they made a small dent in the thousands of backlogged cases. Nokwanda Mdaweni came to the ship for help with her acne.
The service they've been offering has been good, excellent. Short period of time that we have to wait, so the queues are moving very fast.
Besides Western medicine, doctors also offer traditional Chinese medicine. The ship has been providing medical care since 2010. Some analysts see the ship as part of China's competition with the US for influence in Africa and a way of countering allegations from Washington and rights organizations about China's human rights abuses. The larger goal is to win hearts and minds in the court of public opinion, says analyst for the Institute for Security Studies, Peter Fabricius.
It is part of soft power, and soft power was sometimes also called hearts and minds, when the military uses non-lethal means of trying to win over support to their cause. So it's quite, I would think, probably quite effective.
Leo Pengyu, spokesperson for the Chinese embassy in Washington, says it's about helping others. The Peace Ark hospital ship visited many African countries to bring health to people in need of help. The relevant actions are an important part of China-Africa health cooperation and also reflect China's active fulfillment of international humanitarian obligations. The hospital ship's next stop is Angola. Vicky Stark, VOANews, Cape Town, South Africa.